Hey guys, it's me, Emmanuel Maya, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to do these easy, quick, and simple soft FAUX locks. Soft FAUX locks. That's how you say it? Or faux locks, not faux locks. Faux locks, not FAUX locks, faux locks. These are super easy and quick to do. I did this in less than an hour. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching this video. But before we get into this video, make sure that you are a part of the pretty game by hitting that subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful or if you enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up. And that's pretty much it. Let's get into the video. I know I look crazy right now, but as you can see, I have the front of my hair out and then the back of it is braided up like so, crocheted. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to part these into sections and I'm going to braid it into plaits. As you can see, my part is very much crooked. I did not notice until now that my hair is the part is extremely crooked, but I mean, it's okay. I really can't go back and fix it because I had to take all these out and that's just too much work. Okay, so but it's really not going to that much of a difference in the hairstyle, but I'm going to go ahead and part my hair off into sections and then I'm just going to braid it. So once I'm done doing all of these twists, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the hair to the braids. So I have my packs of hair in here. I just ordered this hair from Amazon. It was super inexpensive. This is what one pack of hair looks like. So it comes like how any other type of crochet hair would look or come like, and what I like to do is just take off the rubber band that is holding them together, and I will count how many of these braids I did, and I'm just going to pick however many of these I have and I'm just going to put it aside. I always do like one extra just in case like I mess up or something, and I just put it aside because I like to do the front last, because I just like to do it last. So now what I'm going to do is start installing the crochet hair to the rest of my hair. This part is super easy and simple. I usually just start with the very back and I just crochet it in. Super duper easy. So before I get into the zone and start installing this, I'm going to show you how to crochet it, just in case you don't know how to crochet hair into the hair. So what you do is you take your crochet hook and you just put it underneath your braid. You can do it like this. You can put it underneath the braid like this, or you can put it like on top of the braid like this. You can do it under or on top. I prefer to do it under because I feel like it's more secure that way. But if you are doing non-braided hair, like loose, if you're doing loose hair, I recommend going at the top. But if you're doing like this kind of hair, then go at the bottom. It's more secure in my opinion. But anyway, you just go ahead and get your latch hook and then just stick it underneath the hair. And then you take the hair and you add it to this end piece, and then you close this hook and then you pull it all the way through. Well, not all the way through, but just until it is on the other side. Take the hair and you push it back some, and then you take the ending of the hair, or a thin part of the hair, you put it on this opening here and close it, and then you get that piece, pull it through, and then just turn it up. So I'm gonna show you one more time, but I'm not gonna say anything. I feel like it's easier when you are shown how to do it than when people are saying it. So I'm gonna just do it one more time. And yeah, it's super easy, and once you get the hang of it, you can do this extremely fast. This is the way that I like to do my hair, because I'm extremely lazy. So I pretty much finished all of the back, and I'm going to show you all how I do the individual ones. So the first thing I do is I get like a clip, and I clip away the ones that I'm not gonna be using, and I just get me a latch hook and I just slide it right through. I get the hair and I just put it in a latch hook and I slide it through. And instead of getting the crochet hair, I get my hair and I put it through the latch hook like so, and then I just pull that down. Next, what I like to do is sometimes I will wrap it, but with this hair I'm just going to tuck it in. So I'm just going to put the latch hook into the hair like that, and I'm going to grab my hair, put it right here, and then I'm just going to slide my hair into it like that. And I'm just going to keep tucking my hair. So then I like to just get my hands and rub it in so that my hair is in there. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones. That's pretty much all it is too. I'm gonna show you one more time, because like you guys know, I like to show you guys stuff twice. So that is going to pretty much conclude this video. This is what the finished product should look like, something like this, similar, whatever. Just keep in mind that you can do this with any type of crochet hair. You can do this with butterfly locks. I did this with butterfly locks, box braids, etc. You can do this with any type of crochet hair you want, but this is just what I used. And yeah, if you have any questions about this hairstyle or you know, in general, make sure to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye guys.